Hey there DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to use a torque wrench like a pro. This tool is essential for any project that requires precise tightening of bolts and nuts. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what a torque wrench actually does. It measures the amount of force applied to a fastener, ensuring it's neither too loose nor too tight. Perfect for jobs where precision is key, like assembling furniture, working on your car, or even bike maintenance. Now, before you start, make sure you have the correct torque settings for your project. These are usually specified in the manual or product guidelines. Safety first, always wear your safety glasses and gloves. Okay, let's get hands-on. Step 1, set the desired torque value on your wrench. Most torque wrenches have a twist handle that you can adjust. Turn it until you reach the required setting. Step 2, place the wrench on the bolt or nut and apply force. Turn slowly and steadily, and listen for the click or feel the give when it reaches the preset torque. That click means you've hit the right amount of force. Step 3, once you hear the click, stop applying force immediately. Over-torquing can damage your fastener or the material you're working on. And that's it. Easy, right? Remember to reset your torque wrench to its lowest setting after use to maintain its accuracy. So next time you're tackling a DIY project, you'll be tightening those bolts like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy